net. So having one network sa having one testnet. Tapos click nitong having one and click nitong receive. Copy. Tapos see all. And then having one. Click nyo to. Link withdraw address. Withdraw address. Paste natin yung sa MetaMask. Okay. Tapos yung asset password nyo sa Satoshi app. Pag okay na, click nyo na tong it's one link withdraw address. Click confirm. Email verification. Confirm. It's one withdraw address link is successfully. Pag yan ay makita nyo guys, okay na yan. Click nyo lang to close. So, ganun lang kadali mag-link ng withdraw address dito sa Satoshi app. Para i-claim yung having one na mine natin sa Satoshi. Thank you guys for watching. Follow for more.